Hey, so what's going on, guys? This is a little project that I wanted to show you. So my goal has been for a long time to learn Unreal Engine. Ultimately, I want to make a soccer game akin to FIFA or something more, whatever. Um, but yeah, I've been surprised with how popular soccer is worldwide and FIFA is as a video game. That there are shockingly no tutorials, or not many good tutorials, or much of anything at all, on YouTube about soccer or football. So, yeah, this is just a power bar and left stick aiming, and I will be posting a tutorial for how to do this in the blueprints later on, but I just wanted to get this out and see what people thought. Great.